Hi Seedlings! This week I've been thinking about different kinds of feelings. I've been thinking about sad feelings, angry feelings, frustrated feelings, and I've been thinking about what I like to do when I feel those kinds of things. And I thought about how I like to go outside, get some fresh air, visit with the sun. And I wonder if you're feeling those feelings, if you can also go outside, get some fresh air and visit with the sun. Maybe your backyard or your front yard. Or maybe you and your mom and your dad can go for a walk around your neighborhood. Today I think I'm going to take a walk, and I have my nature collector with me, so that when I find something, like a stick or a leaf or a flower or something I think is special, I can stick in here and I can take it home with me. And I can keep it and maybe make something out of it. I'll show you how to make a nature collector and then we'll go for a walk. Now you have your nature collector. I wonder what you'll find outside. Let's go see. A leaf. Has some red and green in it. My leaf eye. And now I'm gonna put my first nature item in my nature collector. A leaf. Oh, I see something else. Yellow. It's a flower. This one might be hard to stick on my collector. We'll give it a try. Oh, I got it. Hopefully it stays. Such a beautiful orange-red color. Add this to my collection. So now we got 1, 2, 3. 3 things on nature collector. What do we have here? A stick. Looks like the letter I. I think it looks like a line. Gonna add this to my nature collector. There we go. I think I saw one more. Grass feels cold. It's kind of nice. I'm looking for another stick. Sometimes sticks blend into the ground, into the grass. This isn't the one I was looking for, but I think I'll take this one. So let's see how many things I have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder what you'll find.